Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce our PVC belt conveyor. It's a special one. Let me ask you a question. What do you use if you need to convey some strong acid that is very corrosive? Today I will show you the answer. The belt is the PVC. This is the common one. Others is the other special details. Let me start from the conveyor frame first. This is the plastic tube. We all use the plastic screws and nuts, so all the foam are plastic. And this tube is the durated one, so customer don't need to worry about the material will be corrosive for the stainless steel. Because our customer is transport some strong acid, but they are the powder material. It's one time we call it the carbon nano tube. It's black powder. So we use the lid and the cover to cover all the whole set of conveyor. This material is transparent and the material is PVC cover. It's easy to take it away to clean inside because we use this kind of screws. People can just switch it and easily to release. This conveyor frame, we use OEM material. The holding capacity is strong enough for customer. Because it is for the powder material, so we need to think about the explosion problem. So we use this type of control box. Explosion rate is 2nd degree CT4, and this is the control panel. E-stop, speed adjustable function. For the motor, it's also explosion proof. We use CT4 degree for the motor. This the whole set of conveyor is suitable for strong acid or something strong corrosive material and is explosion proof. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.